Picking up where we left off at, we have, again, I said we need to organize this where we put the 3x cubed first, and then our next would be 75x minus 30x. Now, if you notice here, unlike the other problems that we had, we have like terms here. So we'll bring down our 3x cubed. 75x minus 30x is a positive 45x. Now we look here, we have two terms, and these two terms have in common 3x. Now what would be left in the parentheses here would be x squared plus 15. And that is it for this problem. Now we come down here. It says when the result cannot be factored further, it is said to be completely factored. When factored a polynomial, always completely factor it. A polynomial that cannot be factored using integer coefficients is called prime. Now let me explain something about prime real quick. Prime means that when you get any polynomial or any type of expression that you cannot factor anything out of it. Like take for instance this, I know you all copied this down in the last video, but what I want to do is this with this here. I'm going to put an X through this here. Okay, I put an X through here. Let's imagine that the only thing that could be factored out here was this 5. Okay, and this is what we were left with. This would be your final answer. This is as completely factored as it could go. But if we couldn't even factor out this 5, say this couldn't be factored at all, then this would be prime if this was the only thing we had left. Factoring out this 5 here, that would not make this prime. Prime means you cannot do anything with the original problem. Okay, now we're done.